Hey guys, welcome to the review for plant morphology lab test 2. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get started. This is for you a quick review guide to study for the coming test. Read through it and make sure that you also check with your syllabus, your reading, reviewing models in your class notes, lab notes, and plan of the week document for complete studying. So lab test 2 is going to cover following materials: lab, secondary growth lab, plant growing video lab, leaf lab, flowering video lab, and plant ID lab, and finally surviving video lab. Okay, so I'm going to go over quickly in each of them. First, secondary growth lab. So make sure that you study the definition of the terms: vascular cambium, core cambium, tree rings, types of cuts, springwood, summerwood, rays, annual rings, and then as well as the plant of the week, which is hydrilla. And in the plant growing lab, basically the terms like height, tree age, the statistics, cell enlargement, make sure that remember it contributes to major contributor of plant growth. And the questions here, the prompts that we had about the video that you watched about plant growing and plant of the week, which is also in this lab here, please study. And the lab, next lab is the leaf lab, which the terms like C3, C4, especially in chem, and leaf anatomy, plateless leaves, sessile leaves, which is also same as petioleless, petiole, compound leaf, simple leaf, leaflet, difference between leaf and leaflet, and then basic anatomy, especially between C3 and C4. Remember, C3 has palisade mesophyll and C4 does not have that, but C4 is a more efficient photosynthesis and plant of the week, like lily pads you see here. And the flowering lab. So the parts of flower, of course, the simple flower versus compound flower, perfect flower, which has both male and female. Two very important gametophytes, microgametophyte, which is pollen grain, megagametophyte, which is the embryo sac, and parts of it, which has 7 cells, 8 nuclei. Make sure go over that, and also look at the questions on the flowering lab questions on the video that we watched. And then surviving lab, which is the next lab, it was about environmental stress and how plants has to live in abiotic or biotic stress conditions, and then how they survive, right? And then we also had a surviving video and the questions, the prompts, and then a plant of the week, Zamia, which is a Florida native plant. And lastly, a bigger lab, which was a plant ID lab. So definitions like annual, biennial, perennial, Arabidopsis, maize, our model systems, scientific names, very important in this lab, and being a native plant, which means like being living in Florida like 500 years, over 500 years, center of origin, that's where originally that plant is found and is from. So Florida native, a good example is Zamia, we just seen in previous lab. And we have these 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 specific plant ID lab plants. And then you need to remember their names. And then you need to remember their scientific name. And also we have Magnolia here, which is the plant of the week. So if you have any questions, get those questions to me before the next test. I'll be happy to answer them, and happy studying.